Is it possible to make $300 to $550 a day email marketing? The answer is absolutely yes. When you know what you're doing in terms of email marketing and you can drive traffic to a list, when people subscribe to that list, they receive emails on things they are interested in. You're talking about extreme profits. I mean, what's the limit? I know people personally that are making well over $50,000 a day. I don't want to lie to you. That's not going to be you. You're not going to make $50,000 a day right away. It's not possible. You can't just buy a list, email them, and expect to make money. It's not how it works. What it takes is education and strategic planning. Let me give you a perfect example. If you advertise on a site that has business opportunities on there, and you have a business opportunity link that drives them to enter in their name, phone number, and email, that's targeted traffic. If you can subscribe 100,000 people to one list, it may take a year, it may take a month, depends on how much education and how much money you might have. You can do this for free. You can do this by using OPE, which is other people's efforts. Here at Email Careers Online, we specialize in making sure that you know enough to have a full-time email career from the comfort of your own home. Best of all, we're so sure that you'll be successful following our system, we don't even charge you for it. So put all your skepticism aside, go to www.emailcareersonline or simply call us at 760-569-6280. We will tell you exactly how to get started on an email career. We'll teach you how to gather targeted lists. We'll teach you how to drive traffic. We'll give you the correct email software so you can customize follow-up and broadcast messages. And by the time you're done, you'll know what I just said, since we know you don't know it right now. So again, go to the link on the video, www.emailcareersonline.com, and you will be shown exactly what to do to get started in having a full-time email career with us, making $300 to $550 a day, starting today.